Welcome to the Automatic Door Opener app. This is the home screen where you can access your device, learn more about us, and have our contact information. When you click on Devices, this is where you can have up to 4 doors. And select the first door. It'll take you to your Open button and your Close button. When you select on one of the buttons, it'll tell you that the door is either opening or closing and to make sure that the area is clear. Similar with the close. You can do examples are front door, back door, bedroom door, as well as bathroom door. And each door has your open and close button. And each button has the notification that the door is either opening or closing and to make sure the area is clear. I'll do one more. Down in our About Us, you can see that we are a smart home company consisted of occupational therapists. We make devices that are universally designed for all abilities. And our contact information, here's our website, www.otinc.smartdevices.com, our email, otinc@gmail.com, as well as our phone number, 856-734-9805.